I don't know if anybody could see that, but we have a rabbit. We finally found a critter. I don't know if it was a good critter. It was some kind of critter. You could see it way back there in the trees. Here's Chong. We're about ready to take a water break. We're watching the horses. We took ourselves a little fun day with just me and Chong. And now he's sitting down and looking at the world. Sometimes you gotta take little time out of your schedule for things. And just show people how you love them. And Chong knows I love him because I take him down the park. I hope the Chong family and the Facebook family is doing good today. Okay, there is a deer and a doe. I'm just gonna stand here while they're kind of taping, so because I never get these kind of shots ever. They're so cute and pretty. There's a lot of mosquitoes out today. Look at how cute they are. Thank God there wasn't a buck. That would have really been bad. And let me come over here. I can get probably a better video of them this way. Here they are. And they're kind of looking around. Thank God we're in the metro parks and then they don't get aggressive here. Oh, there's the horses. Looks like Black Beauty. And there's the white horse. Alright, we have found a squirrel. I don't know if that came on there. Chong is going slower than slow could go. But we found him. And he went up in the woods. Alright, here is another wildlife area on our walk, and here's Chong. And we're enjoying the park. I haven't seen any deers or eagles or anything in general of wildlife, but we're always on the lookout, me and Chong.